Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by combining measured ingredients to form a cool, tacky dough. This controls gluten development so layers stay distinct. Add yeast to milk, fold into flour with sugar and salt, do not overwork. Once a cohesive mass forms, shape into a disc, wrap, and chill for 30 to 60 minutes. Cold dough is key because it keeps the butter intact during lamination. Make sure to keep everything cold. This prevents butter leakage and preserves lift later. You now laminate. Roll the chilled dough to a rectangle, then enclose the butter blocks centrally. This creates distinct fat layers that steam and puff. Roll into a longer rectangle, fold a single turn, then wrap and chill 30 to 45 minutes. Repeat for a total of 3 turns. Between turns, keep the dough cold so butter remains solid. This is why timing and temperature matter. Once done, rest overnight if possible. Longer resting improves flavor and rollability. You finish by rolling the laminated dough thin, trimming edges, and cutting triangles for classic croissants. The taper helps even rise. Stretch each triangle gently, roll tightly from base to tip, place on lined tray. Proof at 24 to 26 degrees C until about 75% larger. This allows oven spring without collapse. Bake at 200 degrees C until deep golden and crisp. Cool on a rack. Troubleshooting tip: if butter leaks or layers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.